Welcome to the Parent Hub. Today, we're tackling one of the most draining moments in parenting, the meltdown. Picture this common scene. Your child completely melts down. Maybe it's over the color of their plate or a broken cookie. That immediate, frustrating chaos takes over. You try everything. You explain that the cookie is still delicious. You try to distract them with a toy. Or maybe you resort to the classic, you need to calm down. But here's what the Parent Hub team has identified. That immediate urge to stop the noise or rationalize the problem is precisely what fuels the tantrum. When you try to control a big emotion, you signal to your child's nervous system that their feelings are dangerous. They push back harder. That 30-second burst of sadness turns into a 20-minute shouting match because their brain is in self-defense mode. We often respond this way because that's how we were raised. But there is a better way. We've been looking at effective, emotion-focused parenting techniques from around the world, and today we're focusing on the profound method found in Korean family culture. They practice a concept called jung, pronounced like jung. It's a deep, beautiful word that means shared feeling, emotional connection, and collective empathy. It's about being in harmony with someone else's emotional state. This concept radically changes the parental response to distress. Imagine a Korean parent seeing their child crying over a small disappointment. Their first instinct is not to correct or fix the problem. It is simply to connect. They practice something we call co-regulation. This is where your adult calm becomes a model for your child's nervous system. When you stay grounded, your child's brain naturally attempts to match your steady rhythm. They borrow your calm. This slow, empathetic presence is the fastest fix. It works because you are tending to the root, the overwhelmed nervous system, not just the symptom, the screaming. We're calling the technique we've developed based on this principle the co-regulate pause. This technique starts with a deliberate pause because your natural panicky reaction is the opposite of what's needed. You have to choose to stop the fight before it even begins. You create an emotional safety zone for your child. Let's break down the 5 actionable steps of the co-regulate pause. This takes only 60 seconds of focused effort. The 60-second co-regulate pause. Step 1. Drop your energy and your body. The moment the crisis hits, stop moving. Take a conscious, slow breath. Drop your shoulders from your ears. Most importantly, crouch down and meet your child at eye level. This simple act removes your perceived threat and signals, I am here with you. This begins the process of downshifting the fear center in their brain. Step 2. Offer silent presence. Remain at their level. Do not speak. Make gentle, quiet eye contact. Let them look at you and see a face that is not angry, not demanding, but simply present. Your presence is the lesson. Wait 3 to 5 seconds, simply breathing calmly. Step 3. Initiate compassionate touch. Without saying anything yet, if your child is receptive, lightly place a hand on their back, shoulder, or gently hold their hand. Physical touch, when offered calmly, sends a powerful safety signal to their brain. You are not abandoned. You are safe. Many meltdowns soften here. The frantic energy drains away because the child feels truly seen and supported. Step 4. Validate the emotion. Now, and only now, you can speak. Do not lecture, do not explain. Just give a voice to their feeling. Say something simple. You are incredibly frustrated that the cookie broke. Or you are sad because you wanted the blue one. This validation is the crucial moment. When a child feels truly understood, the intense pressure to scream for attention or control instantly fades. Step 5. Invite co-regulation. Finally, invite them to transition out of the meltdown together. Say, let's take 3 big dragon breaths, or when you are ready, we will figure out a solution.
The key is we. You are teaching them that in moments of distress, they are not alone and they don't have to stay stuck. The long-term results. What happens when you consistently practice this pause? You are interrupting the old pattern of reactivity and modeling a new pattern of regulation. Your child's brain is literally being rewired. Their emotional system learns, my feelings are big, but they are not dangerous, and I can survive them. Over time, tantrums become shorter, less frequent, and less intense. You might notice big shifts in just 3 to 5 days. 6 months from now, imagine this. Your child is upset after school. Instead of screaming, they simply crawl into your lap and start telling you what happened. They come to you because you have proven that you can handle their worst feelings. That is not obedience. That is security and trust. Your ability to be the calm center in their storm is the greatest gift of emotional intelligence you can give them. So here is your challenge from the Parent Hub. The next time the meltdown hits, try the co-regulate pause. Don't fix it, just pause. Be the steady ground. You've got this.
Today's episode of the Parents Hub ends here. When a meltdown hits, just pause. Your calm is your child's safest place. And if today's technique was helpful, please like the video, comment with your experience, and make sure to subscribe. We share weekly tools and strategies that can truly transform your parenting journey. So, like, comment, and subscribe. Your small support is our biggest motivation.